what's going on YouTube? So I picked up the speaker grill today from my dealer while I went up there to check on a couple things. My current grill, as you all can see in the thumbnail, it's black. But I'm going to go ahead and add some blue to it, right? I think it's going to go good off the blue, off the, the other blues, the accent blue, off the hood, off the side right here, as well as the speaker pods and the bars on the side of the slingshot here. So I'm going to go ahead and install this, give you a quick walkthrough. I don't foresee this taking any longer than maybe 10 or 15 minutes, and it only should take that long because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot. I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot, and I'll be right back with you to just give you a quick walkthrough of it. Right here you see this is where the grill insert goes, or the grill goes. You put the hood up, pretty much goes right down here. Now there's 2 bolts or 2 screws. You have to get those screws out. So as you can see, it's one right there, and then another one on the other side. So you have to go ahead and get those out. You have to be pretty creative or have the right tool to be able to do it. Can you see? Good job. So the side does matter when you're talking about where the screws go. So one side is a little bit more finished and outwardly presentable. The other side is more so flat. So you want to put the screws in on the flat side. So I want to just get them going so it's not too difficult to get them installed, as we have limited finger space. So you want to just kind of get them going. Just a little bit like that on both sides. All right. Then I'm going to feed it back through the hood latch in the front. So once you feed the grill through the hood latch, you want to make sure that you align these tabs with the holes, and then you want to force it in and shift it over to where it should be. So if you shift it over, it's pretty much ready to install and now ready to screw in. So I want to go ahead, grab my wrench and go ahead and start screwing it in. All right. So the tools you're going to want to use for this project is just a 1/4 wrench, right? 1/4, and then also a T25 star drill bit, right? This is going to be all you're going to need. You might want to add a little bit more length to your wrench, so you can get more leverage and not have to squeeze your fingers between the engine bay and where the grill insert is. But this is all you have. This is all you need. Okay. All right. Just take a look at the new view. Right. So you see, there's more character, I feel like, added to the front of the car with the blue grill as opposed to the black one. And so once again, you see the steps. It's not a difficult install at all. You just have to have the right tools. Once again, that T25 star drill bit, as well as a wrench, and then you'll be all set to go. I would say this should take you, I would say 15 minutes or less. That's just because you gotta, do one side, then go to the other, and then also pull it out of the out from the hood latch. But it's not difficult at all. If you have the right tools, you can get it done in, I would say, 10 minutes or less. So, all right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the update. Didn't take long at all. I think it does add some pretty good flavor to the slingshot. So once again, like, comment, subscribe, share. Let me know what you all think. Got some big packages coming in this week, and I'm making more videos for you all. Peace.